Lose up to 1 kilo a day with this recipe. Lower your belly. And get rid of localized fat with this juice. There are only 2 ingredients, and you already have it at home. For this recipe we will need 4 lemons. And I'm going to be cutting the rind off the lemon like this over here. But without removing that white part, right, because we are going to need it, and the benefits of lemon, folks, are several. I'll name just a few here for you. It helps a lot to lose weight. It boosts our immunity. Decreases the symptoms of respiratory diseases. Prevents constipation. Lowers blood pressure. Prevents kidney stone. Prevents anemia. Gives you more mood for your day-to-day, and several other wonderful benefits. Now I'm going to be cutting the lemon here like this. And guys, you're already taking advantage of the moment, and you're already commenting on what city you're watching us from, and I'm going to send a super special hug to each one of you who is commenting. So you're already enjoying it, and you're already commenting. I will now add the sliced lemons. And also add 600 ml of very hot water. I put this water to boil. As soon as it started to boil, I already added it here in our blender. Now we are going to beat this mixture very well. This juice could be helping you to lose up to 30 kilos a month, and this is of course combined with a balanced diet, and also maintaining your physical activity routine. I will now be straining here, right. Our juice is already ready, and the right way to drink it is 40 minutes before lunch and 40 minutes before dinner. And it should still be warm. This juice is wonderful, and I'm sure it will help you a lot, so if you liked it, share it and see you next time.